The CNS Fourth International Meeting on Fire Safety and Emergency Preparedness for the Nuclear Industry, known as the FSEP Conference, will be held at the Hilton Niagara Fallsview Hotel. FSEP is a 2.5-day conference from October 18 to October 20, 2023. Our conference has over 50 plenary and technical presentations provided by internationally esteemed subject matter experts. FSEP will attract a diverse audience of specialists from Canada, the US and abroad. Substantial changes have been made to the Canadian and international safety codes, standards, guidelines, and technical tools relating to fire protection and emergency preparedness worldwide. The FSEP conference provides a forum for discussions on enhancing fire safety and emergency readiness in new and operational nuclear power plants, small modular reactors, research, decommissioned, uranium production, and mining facilities. FSEP is limited to a maximum of 140 conference delegates. Exhibitor spots are sold out. Please purchase your attendee tickets to ensure your participation. The conference venue is within walking distance to the Canadian and American Falls, directly connected to the Fallsview Casino's entertainment center. Other major attractions include the Galleria shops, world-class dining and entertainment. For our international attendees, we are offering shuttle services directly from the Pearson International Airport to the